Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. I will show you how to make insert photo into transparent in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the Elements section, add a light bulb, resize it. First, click on R. Next, add a square. Then, increase its size. Left-click on it and go to the Layer option, then click on Send to Background. This will add it to the background. Finally, go to the Color option and choose the yellow color. Next, click on Edit Image. Then, click on the Duotone option at the bottom. Click on Custom, set the highlight color to white. Set the shadow color into white. Click on Share, then click on a Download. Set the format to PNG and download it. You need to go to the Color section in the app, choose a color, and then click on Edit Image. After that, click on BG Remove to remove the background of the image. Increase resize it. Go to the next element and add another light bulb. Then you need to cut the steel texture. After that, add an image of an air balloon and duplicate it. Then, left-click and go to the Layer section and click on Send to Back. This will move it to the back. Next, crop that image to be equal to the other image. You need to make the second image equal to the first image by clicking on Edit Image. After that, go to Effects and click on BG Remove. Go to Position and navigate to the layer. Then, pick up this image and add it to the duplicate down. Check to make sure that these images should be equal to each other. Next, to go to Shadow and click on Glow. After that, reduce the size and blur amount. And increase the intensity to 90. Then go to Color and change the image color to yellow. Then click on the Share option, then click on Next Download, set it to PNG, and click on Download. Next, choose a color, then go to the element and add the air balloon image, and finally set it on the full image. You need to go to the Edit Image, click on the Blur option, then click on the whole image. Then set the intensity to 51. Next, go to the Erase Background option by app, then go to Choose File, add the downloaded image, then click on Remove Background. You just need to wait. And now the image will have its background removed. You need to increase its size and place it on the right side, then duplicate it and place it on the left side while making it slightly smaller. Take a look and tell me how this image turned out. Don't forget my channel, subscribe YouTube and bell icon.